Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join Minecraft servers on Nintendo Switch. On your Switch dashboard, go to System Settings, go down to Internet, and then once you're in there, click Internet Settings, and then click on your current Wi-Fi, and then go to Change Settings, scroll down to Primary and Secondary DNS, and you're going to want to fill in exactly what I have here. Pause if you need to. After that's finished, open Minecraft and then go over to Servers. At the top right, go down to the Hive and then click Join Server on it. Once you do that, after a few tries, you will get this box that will pop up. Click Manage Server List, add a server, put in the information I have here exactly, and then hit Submit. And then you're going to want to go back to the previous menu, and then now you will see Cosmos on the list, and you'll just want to click it, and you'll be the server. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.